Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we're going to be putting two of Allure's best of beauty skincare products to the test. One being Bestie Jelly Cleanser and the other being CETAPHIL's Daily Facial Cleanser. Now, Jelly Bestie's Cleanser will run, Drunken Elephant's Jelly Bestie or Bestie Jelly Cleanser will run you $32 and CETAPHIL's Daily Facial Cleanser will run you $10. So it's a huge price difference. They are Allure beauty winning skincare products, so we're going to see which one would you rather buy. Now let's go ahead and swatch both of them. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and swatch CETAPHIL first. It goes on clear. This is what it looks like. Pretty much a liquid. Oh my god. So that is CETAPHIL. It's really thin. Let's do Drunken Elephant. So this is Drunken Elephant. It's the same color. Oh my god, I don't want it to go through there. So can you guys see? This is Drunken Elephant and this is CETAPHIL. They're pretty much the same runny consistency. This one is a little thinner. CETAPHIL is a little thinner. And Drunken Elephant is a little bit thicker, but it feels like the same consistency to me. A Drunken Elephant doesn't have a scent, we all know that. So the fragrance that CETAPHIL has is sort of like baby powder. It's really light, it's not heavy, it doesn't linger. It's a nice fragrance. I'm gonna do one pump. That seems like enough. That was a lot for one pump. There's really no lather. Can you guys see this? There's like no lather. And I know my face is wet. Okay, there the lather goes. So now that my face is lathered, we're gonna go ahead and add Drunk Elephant's Jelly Bestie Cleanser. I used about the same amount of the Jelly Bestie that I did the CETAPHIL. So I don't want y'all sitting there saying that I'm being biased. I'm biased and you know, I'm already being biased, so let me just put this on my face and be quiet. I will say, as I am rubbing them into my skin, side is much thicker. Like the lather is becoming much thicker, maybe because my face dried or maybe because I had it on my face a little bit longer. But this side is way thinner and easy to rub in, and this side is just getting thicker and thicker as we rub it into our skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my face. You guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and dry my face and then we'll do a close-up. Okay, you guys, so this is Drunk Elephant. Can you guys see? And this is CETAPHIL. Well, my face does look a little brighter, maybe a little lighter on this side. This side does look the same, but you know what, feeling wise, Drunk Elephant is so much softer. It's like way more hydrating to me. Like this side is just a little soft, but it's not hydrated. Drunk Elephant side is nice and hydrated. It's like really hydrated, bouncy. Like this side of my face is really bouncy and this side of my face is soft, but it's not bouncy, it's not hydrated, it's not really doing anything, it's just sitting there. My skin does look better on the CETAPHIL side of my face. Oh my god, let's look at my forehead. Do you guys think the same thing? So this is Drunk Elephant and this is CETAPHIL. Yeah, Drunk Elephant feels like a different type of soft. It's weird. It feels like different. Wow. I mean, looking in the mirror, I practically got just a little bit of irritation on this side of my face from the Drunk Elephant. Can you guys see? And then CETAPHIL, I virtually have no irritation. Can you guys see? Like, there's no irritation whatsoever. But look, Drunken Elephant. What do you guys think? Okay, you guys, so let's talk about it. Both are Allure Beauty winning award skincare products. Honestly, I don't know. This is really hard for me. I can't make a decision. I'm a Libra. It's Libra season. We already out of, I don't know. I really don't know. I really cannot make a decision. I always have to say, if I was going to go to an island, which one would I take? And since I can't really make a decision, I'm going to have to go with my little island scenario. If I had to go to an island, which one would I actually take? Oh my God, I really don't know. It's really difficult. I think I would probably go with Drunken Elephant because there's a little more hydration to this side of my face. Even though this side of my face did not break out, the Drunk Elephant side of my face just feels much more hydrated. So I would probably go with the Drunk Elephant. No, maybe CETAPHIL because there's a scent, you know, and I feel like if I'm on an island, I'm not smelling pleasant scents, and I may want to smell something pleasant if I'm on a desert. I don't know. Let me stop. Let's just talk about both cleansers. I think both of them are wonderful cleansers. I think they're great for removing makeup, removing dirt, removing oil. However, I could think you can get away with just buying the cheap version unless you are a person who likes more hydration, you love clean beauty products, you're looking to take care of the environment. You may just want to go with Drunken Elephant. However, if all that means nothing to you and you want to save a lot of money, then you go ahead and go with CETAPHIL. It really depends on what you're looking for. However, this side of my face, even from afar, looks much brighter than the Drunken Elephant side of my face. So, you know, this side looks way brighter. Yeah, so, you know, it's up to you which one you decide to buy. I am just a reference for you guys to use in your purchasing decisions. You know, I say this a lot in my videos lately. I'll probably stop rambling about it, but you know the economy is tanking, and you know we trying to be as frugal as possible these days. And with that being said, you know, you have to pick 32 or 10. But if I was going to a deserted island, I'm gonna just go ahead and take Drunk Elephant. With that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments down below, which one do you like? Do you like the CETAPHIL Daily Facial Cleanser? I mean, if the CETAPHIL Daily Facial Cleanser did this to my skin, can you imagine the gentle one? Oh my God, probably putting it up against Drunken Elephant is like probably 100 times better than the Drunken Elephant if the Daily Facial Cleanser did this. I'm just saying. But it does have a lot of parabens in it. So if you're a person and you're really not into parabens and your main focus is ingredients, Drunken Elephant is probably where you want to go. However, if none of those ingredients really matter to you, and you just care about money, CETAPHIL is probably where you want to go. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil as well as Larimar Elixir. Make sure you follow me on all my social media sites, and I'll see you guys in our next video. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye, you guys. Mwah.